Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step comparison of Klaviyo versus Postscript. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. Let's start with Klaviyo. It's known for its powerful segmentation and advanced automation capabilities, specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. Klaviyo enables brands to target customers based on real-time behavior, such as browsing activity, purchase history, and engagement patterns. This allows businesses to send personalized messages through both email and SMS, such as abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and special offers. One of Klaviyo's strengths is its deep integration with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, making it easy to sync customer data and automate workflows without much manual effort. Klaviyo also excels in analytics, offering insights into key metrics like revenue attribution and customer lifetime value. These insights help marketers track campaign effectiveness and optimize their strategies for higher returns. The platform's user-friendly drag-and-drop editor and pre-built templates make it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features, like custom workflows, appeal to users needing more granular control over their marketing efforts. Now let's move on to Postscript. Postscript focuses entirely on SMS marketing, catering to e-commerce businesses, especially those on Shopify. The platform allows merchants to engage customers through text messaging, providing features like SMS campaigns, automated messages for abandoned carts, and promotional offers. Postscript also supports MMS, enabling businesses to send images, GIFs, and multimedia messages to enhance customer engagement. While both platforms support customer segmentation, Postscript specializes in creating personalized SMS experiences, helping businesses maintain direct and timely communication with their audience. Postscript's strength lies in its simplicity and focus on compliance, ensuring that SMS campaigns adhere to regulations like TCPA, which is essential for maintaining a trustworthy relationship with customers. In summary, Klaviyo is ideal for businesses that want a robust multi-channel marketing platform that combines email and SMS with powerful analytics and automations. On the other hand, Postscript is better suited for businesses focused on SMS marketing, offering specialized tools for mobile-first strategies with a streamlined, Shopify-centric approach. The choice between the two depends on whether a brand needs comprehensive email plus SMS capabilities, Klaviyo, or a focused SMS marketing solution, Postscript. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching,